Do you want to pair and connect a wireless mouse to Fire Stick using Bluetooth? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: pair and connect the wireless mouse to Fire Stick using Bluetooth. Navigate to the settings menu on the Fire Stick. Then go to Controllers and Bluetooth Devices. Select Game Controllers. Next, select Add Bluetooth Devices. Now the Fire Stick will start searching for the nearby Bluetooth device. Place your wireless mouse in the Bluetooth pairing mode. The mouse should have a specific Bluetooth button, so hold it down. Now you should see the Bluetooth mouse under the available devices. Select it and confirm to pair the devices. If you want to unpair the mouse and connect it to some other device, hold the button with 3 lines on the remote and you will see the option that says Press Select to confirm unpairing. Select it and unpair the device. And there you have it, the method to pair and connect a wireless mouse to Fire Stick using Bluetooth. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.